Hi, this is Samuel from Stadler Form, and today I show you how to clean George the air washer. All you need for this is the Stadler Form cleaner and descaler and eventually a water cube. It's very simple to clean George the air washer. You should at least every week clean the water tank, the water tray and the evaporator discs. Like this you make sure to have always a healthy and hygienic humidification. For the water tank, just take a little bit of cleaner and descaler, add some water and then shake the water tank. Then after this rinse it with fresh water and then you're done. For the water tray and the evaporator discs it's even easier. You can put both of them in the dishwasher. Just make sure that your dishwasher should not be any hotter than 60 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a dishwasher or you rather like to clean your George manually, there is a cleaning mode. Just add some Stadler Form cleaner and descaler in the water tray and then put it back into the machine. Now press the buttons speed and dimmer together and all the white LEDs will now flash, and this shows you that the cleaning mode is on. The cleaning mode means that the discs are rotating but the fan is turned off, so there is no risk of emitting the cleaner and descaler into the room. This self-cleaning mode stops after 20 minutes. Now rinse the water tray as well as the discs with fresh water. There is a filter on the air inlet. It will get dusty after a certain time. Just remove this filter and clean it with a cloth or the vacuum cleaner. And finally, please do not forget to replace your water cube every 12 months. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and if you still have questions, just write them in the comments below. Bye bye!